Hello friends, today we learn about mesh size, mesh number and sieve number. Because they are all confusing terms, so let's make them clear for all of you. Mesh size is used while you doing particle size analysis for measuring the average size of the particles in a given sample of soil. In this analysis, we use set of sieves with specific mesh number. The specific mesh numbers are 10 mesh, 35 mesh, 50 mesh, 60 mesh, 120 mesh, and so on. What is mesh size or sieve number? Number of openings in 1 inch of screen. So a 4 mesh screen means there are 4 little square across 1 linear inch of screen. 2 mesh sieve means 2 openings per inch. Similarly, 10 mesh, 100 mesh, and so on. You can see in the diagram, 2 mesh has 2 openings per inch. Similarly, 4 mesh has 4 opening and 10 mesh and 100 mesh and so on. What does 4.75 mm sieve means? 4.75 mm basically indicate the size of one opening. So 4.75 mm sieve has an opening with one side dimension of 4.75 mm. So if a sieve has a dimension of 4.75 mm, it is called as sieve number 4.75 mm. What does 600 macroom sieve means? Sieve has opening with one side of size 0.6 mm or 600 macroon. Macroon is shorthand form of macrometer. 1 macrometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 mm. 600 macroon is equal to 0.6 mm. So if a sieve has 600 macroon opening size, then it is called as sieve number 600 macroon. As the mesh number increases, the size of opening in the screen decreases. So does size of the particles captured by the screen also decreases. As you go from top to bottom, the sieve number is increasing. For example, 10 mesh, 35 mesh, 60 mesh, 120 mesh, and 230 mesh. But the size of the particles decreases as we go from top to bottom because of the mesh size or mesh number is increasing. So sieve number 4 has an opening of size 4.75 mm. Sieve number 6 has 3.35 and so on. In this example, you can see that as we go from top to bottom, the sieve number on the left side is increasing, while the size of the opening on the right side is decreasing. Thanks for watching.